Akwaba, bad tech space on XDN Ghana. And the biggest news is bad. B-A-D. Bad. A newest technology at Google, they baba compete with ChatGPT. Said Abuja, on your tail notification bell icon now, me and say, send a bear attempt be a posty wahano on Sabeka and I'll be a first person. Over be share videos, you be posty a wahano. Me a subscribe button, that's all. Net time biano, on set me a kind videos and so. Now, young called ChatGPT. Be sure say what's it? ChatGPT. Nampono ususu say the body. A system ana computer hon niyama bia. Microsoft afande OpenAI no more developing na nipatimine system no enya nkitamudie na nipa ne system ni nyano. Yakoye te se de nipa ne na yonku nipa a ne nimdie wo soro pa na enya sa nkitamudie no. Nti eno ye frɛ no artificial intelligence. Chese we no enye nipa nanso omunyansa na se nyansa na system ni nyano ya yese nipa nyansa ekwa no. Nti sa AI system bi o ma create eboa ema otimi chat bisa questions anka obetimi ebusa nipa no yi ano no system itimi yi ano pepepe na ChatGPT yesa nyaso ni nyina eno na ama companies afoforo a omu gina technology mu a omu gina mu kesiye pa omu di mu tintiman no enso ani abo mu so se wo se omo ye ntem na omu so etimi release system yi bi na ama oman fall short technology emu. And this is the newest technology currently. Wa unim ChatGPT no ko Google ne search ChatGPT ubemu first link no click so se na me wo machine yi su ya pepepe na bi account e wo honom na obetimi a try out ChatGPT system no question bi wo utim bia no bisa kwan a obefa so bisa question no so e na be try answer obenya empo niema awunim dada ubusa ho question a system no betimi aka cho ye wo niema bia system no o ma programming in such a way say emma wo answer e wo sa niema no niema a bia etia company no policies no eno eyi frame be se nampo se wonnim kwan a befa so abusa system de ye a ubetimi anya answer bia wo hwehwe and system no egusu a developing kakra because na sinya na ebam na eba no within a few months ChatGPT abegidin ye pa o wiase afa na nyina enti Google enso I alert and they have this machine learning algorithm mo akasa use that which is lambda no. They are trying to build a system my friend of BARD within a few weeks or within some months really out na testers almost saw systems ne softwares ne share no mo say ampa adwuma se ne say ana say even problem bi wo ho a omo ka se ne be be fantini software na ansa na ababontia mo bi anya access no omo ene benya ho akonya no ma try that system of BARD no ansana omo rolling it out. The BARD wouldn't be associated with the Google search engine. That's the information that I have, but it is separate and is also going to act as a chatbot. Not just a ubet meaning the commotion ChatGPT tiana inti. Nim dear and now sono and a betre to do a improphobe UCFA. Inti be on the highest alert for BARD because it's coming on and it's coming to compete ChatGPT. Abusuya nyakwan nyambre ne sua technology ho nsem bebre a ekoso obiase afanya nyina click subscribe button na hit the notification bell icon no nya alert time bia ye be posti amane mpa ho biase na ekonani amane enkonso enjao ubetimi afa ChatGPT ana BARD ho na odi aye niam bebre ubetimi afa so e dia implement niam bia eniho niam bia eho wadwuma mpo a wo ye no ebetimi aboa ama wadwuma no ohun ahenha o enti ento technology entwini sisi a na wanti ase entema ebe ha o atri subscribe ne share ma foforo medawase.